You'll trip over them.
I can't find my hands. Thank you. Look, Daddy, I'm wearing your shirt. Mommy cut off the sleeves.
That looks like a good paint shirt.
A paint shirt? Grandma coming!
That's right. Grandma just called and she's coming for lunch.
Can I paint a picture for Grandma in my paint shirt?
Sure you can, Caillou. We can set up your painting things in the backyard.
Grandma coming!
Why don't we go out and pick a nice flower for Grandma?
Yeah, pretty flower for Grandma.
Hold on there, sweetie. First the sunblock, then we go outside.
Caillou knew that you had to put sunblock on when you went outside on a sunny day.
You're going to need some of this too.
I can do it. Oh, this is a good sunblock paint shirt.
Come on, Caillou. Let's get your painting gear. There you go. You're all set.
Caillou couldn't wait to get started on his painting. He wanted to make something extra special for Grandma.
Hey! Gilbert, I'm trying to paint. I'm going to paint a picture of you, Gilbert.
How about a nice rose?
Pretty flower.
Would you like a lily? Okay.
Pretty flower.
Caillou liked his painting of Gilbert, but he wanted to paint something even more special for Grandma.
I'm gonna paint a picture of Rosie. Rosie!
Caillou liked his painting of Rosie too, but it wasn't quite what he wanted to give Grandma either. Caillou was having a hard time figuring out what to paint for Grandma.
Hello, Caillou.
What should I paint, Mommy?
What about a tree?
I want to use lots of colors. What can I paint that has lots of colors?
You could always make an abstract painting.
Guess who?